In this video, I'll be checking out the MSXTTLY wired to wireless Android Auto adapter. This is a simple micro USB adapter that simply converts your wired Android Auto car system into a wireless one. So if you're looking to cut the cable and make your wired Android Auto car system into a wireless one, this adapter might be for you. Okay, let's check out what comes inside the box. Okay, so here's what you get inside the box. You get a user manual and a service card. You get the wireless adapter itself. Then you get a USB-A to USB adapter for modern Android Auto ports in the car. And in addition, if you find yourself not having enough space to attach this adapter into your Android Auto port, you've got a USB-A to USB-A female to male adapter there as well. Finally, we've got a 3M sticker should you wish to be using that cable to attach that adapter in your car system and prevent it from dangling around and making any noise in the car interior. Looking over the adapter then, it's absolutely tiny. Something that we've seen quite a lot of recently in wireless adapters, but this is specifically for Android Auto. You can see by the logo on the bottom there for Android Auto, we've got status light. We have this carbon effect around the outside, some passive cooling on the underside there to help with keeping that adapter cool. As we've seen with some small adapters, heat is quite an issue. Some gold plating USB connection there, which might help in some way. But other than that, that is pretty much the adapter in a nutshell. We'll just check the sizes. Full adapter, we've got 42 millimeters there. Just the casing alone is 27.9 or 28 millimeters. Width wise, we've got 24 millimeters and the thickness is just over 10 millimeters there as well. So not the smallest adapter that we've seen, but it's pretty much close to the smallest adapter we've seen on this channel. One extra addition of this adapter is that it has the ability to use a specific app for Android Auto, which allows you to also watch streamed content from apps such as YouTube, Hulu, Disney+, TikTok, and a lot more. So we'll also be testing that in my car demo as well. But that's pretty much the adapter in a nutshell. Let's get in the car now and see how well this adapter performs. So I'll see you there. Right, so we're the Cooper Born and we've got the Android adapter here from MSXTTLY. We've got the attached cable because we've got a USB-C connecting port in the car. So we're going to plug this in and see how quickly it takes to boot up. Okay, connecting now. Cool, and that's us into the main menu interface. So roughly about 8-9 seconds, very quick considering. And we've got the launch screen here showing our Android Auto logo, Bluetooth device to connect to, and the current firmware. No other ways to get home. You can touch the screen there to get back to the car system. Other than that, it's waiting for our Bluetooth connection. So we're going to fire up our Android device. So here we have our Bluetooth ID here. We're going to tap that, pair, connect to the device. And that's us into Android Auto. Very quick. Very happy with that. The audio is resumed as well from the previous state, so that's happy with that. Let's go into Maps. Not too bad. It's a little bit unresponsive, but no, that's fine actually. That's all good. Let's do a navigation pass-through test. Head south. Yeah, that works. We've got cluster support and it's in the HUD as well. So that would mean also Waze should work too.
Let's take Hempstead Road.
Yep.
Saltine Vale, Saltine.
That all sounds good.
400 feet.
Now let's jump into some audio and do an audio test. That all sounds good. Responsive. Wheel controls. Back and forth. That works great too. I can seek there. We can't seek on the wheel as expected. Call button. Hi Google.
Hey there.
That works well as well. So that's all good. Let's do a quick call test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good call quality there and very responsive as well. So happy with that too. So basically all looking very good, all nice and responsive. And yeah, good adapter for the MSXTTLY adapter for Android Auto. So another feature of this adapter, and also its 2-in-1 adapter, is that it also supports video streaming. Now this isn't necessarily a hardware thing because it's basically an Android app that they give you access to. So that's an application called CarStream, which you have to sideload onto your Android device. It's not available from the Play Store, obviously, but it allows you to at least download the CarStream app. So you can do it in 2 methods. You can get it from their Google Drive location, and I'll put a link to that down below in the comments, and you can sideload that onto your Android device. Alternatively, you can install an app called AAAD and then use that to download the streaming app to your device. So here we have the file here on their GitHub page. So we tap that and download. That downloads very quickly. It's only 16 meg. Then we can install it. And then once installed, you can open it up. Make sure that the developer section has the installed unknown apps ticked. And then we go back. And then here we have CarStream. We tap that and we allow the latest version. So 2.05. Then we tap that to install. So now we install. So once you've got the CarStream app, it does bring up with a blocked thing. You can tap this install anyway. It doesn't actually look like a link, but it actually is. That will install the CarStream app. With the app installed, you can then open it up, and then that's the app installed. Now it should really appear in here. So what we're going to do, we're going to reboot the Android device. Okay, that's us into the Android device. So that's the time it takes to get into boot. Quite long actually, a little bit. But here's CarStream, so we're going to tap on this. And we can then search, or we could go home. So this is basically like a browser, but I don't know. I would need to search YouTube. That's a different option. So CarPlay. There we go. So now we've got YouTube running. We can just fire up any old box here. So in this video, I'll be checking a new way of getting multi-user support on your CarPlay or Android Auto. That's pretty system. Good. So that's all playing really well. Pretty good sync actually. It's not far off. We'll try the lip sync in a minute test. But up here we can make that go full screen. Not sure if we can actually expand this. You've got different ratio options as well. You can have navigation ironing on the side. If we just do that,
Head southeast road.
if I do full screen that, and then, no, full screen this, then that, tap that again, no. Doesn't bring it in full screen, unfortunately. If you've got a smaller display, that might then go full screen anyway, but on a larger high resolution screen, it'll probably dual screen it. We've got some other options here. You've got Plex TV that you could probably launch. You've got the browser in there too, which is pretty cool. But yeah, go back to the home. That loads up a bit better now. And if you've got yourself signed in, you can then obviously run your playlists and so on. You've got a back browser here button. That's going to take us through all the previous. So there you can browse the videos and so on. So that's pretty cool. I quite like that. It's a nice addition. Obviously not legit or legal if you're driving with video on, but if you're in the car and you just want to play some video without having to buy an AI box, you can just run it from your Android device instead. So the mini Android Auto wireless adapter from MSXTTLY currently retails on Amazon for $58.98. There's a coupon code currently for £10 off, so that'll make it $48.98. And I'll put links down below to this adapter so you can learn more about it. Support my channel and buy yourself one. Generally a very fast adapter here for Android Auto users. It won't obviously convert, it's just wired Android Auto to wireless Android Auto. But we've seen that the performance is very good in both calling, audio delay, input delay. Navigation pass-through is in there too, so there's a lot to like there. Now we've also seen the ability of their CarStream app, which is not technically theirs, it's just given the ability to download it from a source that they're supplying, or you can use that AAAD application and you can get that CarStream app installed on your car pretty much without any breaking a sweat really. It's not that difficult to get that on your car. And then you've got YouTube browsing, and if you've got any other applications that you can run through a browser, then you could probably run it through that app too, I reckon. But in terms of hardware and its performance, that adapter is definitely one to check out if you're looking for wireless Android Auto support in the car. And it's also at a reasonable price too. All right, thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If it has, give us a big thumbs up down below. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this adapter from MSXTTLY, and I'll try my best to answer them. If you like this content, you'd like to support my channel, you can do so by sending us a super thanks down below. Give us a big hype on this video. Or you can check out my QR code up here to buy me a coffee. You can support me there too. I really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.